What's up, y'all? It's Darius from your favorite website, DariusCooks.tv, and I've got one you've been waiting for. This is my tutorial on how to make the most epic and amazing potato salad you've ever had, and it's just in time for the holidays. Let me show you how we get started, all right? So first off, save yourself the trouble, and you can buy these little baby potatoes, right? Aren't these like cute little potatoes? So all I'm gonna do is get these cut down to size and get them into some boiling water. All right, so while the potatoes are boiling, let's go ahead and get started on the base for the dressing. I'm gonna start by dicing up some celery, a little bit of bell pepper, and some onion. Now the key is you gotta make sure you dice it small enough so you don't have super big chunks hanging out in your potato salad. Let us continue. Relish, very important. Sweet pickle or dill, my preference, sweet pickle, okay? A little Dijon mustard goes into the potato salad. And of course, the base of any potato salad has to be good mayonnaise, okay? And if you're anywhere in the South, then of course you've got to be using Duke's. This is the secret. Don't tell everybody. You tell them, they're gonna be doing this, okay? It's that little thing that makes you go, oh, this is really good. What is this? A little drip, okay? A little piece, apple cider vinegar right in there, all right? Let's season it with a little bit of garlic powder, black pepper, a little pinch of salt, a little pinch of sugar. I'll give this a stir, and this is gonna be the base of our potato salad. Look how that comes together. You wanna taste it at this point because you need to know if you have to add more salt, more pepper. Don't wait till the potatoes get in here. Do it now, that way you know if you're on point. Oh, let's see if the ancestors are with me. They with me. They're with me. All right, so I went ahead and drained off the potatoes, and here's what I want to do. Because sometimes you could add too much of the sauce to the potatoes, and you're gonna mess it all up. So I'm gonna take out the sauce, put it in a different bowl, and then use this bowl to mix in our potatoes. Notice my potatoes, first of all, are fork tender. These are not hard potatoes, they're still smoking. You know what that means? They're still warm, and they're gonna absorb this flavor really well. So we're gonna put the potatoes right in there, and then let's add some of the sauce, just like that. All right, and then we'll give it a stir, and if we had to add more sauce, then we will. Look at that. I think we have the right amount of sauce added. The only thing we have to do now is put this in the fridge and let this chill 3 to 4 hours until it's nice and cool. Our potato salad has been chilling out in the fridge, it's ready to go. But I just wanna chop up some scallions and put those right on top, nice and chilled. I'll serve some up right in here. Ooh, look at that. Creamy potato salad. All right, and then I'm just going to do a little bit right on top, just like this. Let me see what we're talking about. Here we go. First of all, the potatoes are super creamy. And they're not overly dressed. And when you put them in warm, they absorb all that lovely flavor. I don't care what you say. You need that acid, that vinegar, and that mustard in the back of this sauce to make it taste like this. Indian grandmother will be proud of this. Give it a try. Recipes, it's good for real. The recipes are gonna be on my website, DariusCooks.tv. 2 things I wanna tell you as I always do. Food is my life, life is my food. Until next time, I gotta wish you a happy cooking from my heart to yours. Bye, y'all.